Hello friends, welcome to another video of my channel. So this is Amazon product. I have ordered it through Amazon. Here three products are ordered. So let's see what's inside this box. You can see that. This is already okay. Let's see what inside. So here is, you can see, this is the combo of combo of four books. Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, international bestseller Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You know that. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy, and How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie. So these are the four books. Lightweight or Fingerprint. Yeah, Fingerprint is quite good publisher actually. So that's it. And here you can see that this is 99 rupees. Five-in-one multi-purpose multifunction cleaning tool, computer cleaning tool. This is, and let's see what inside this. There is a token. You can see that 50 quick cashback token. Write a review on Amazon and receive 50 quick cashback. Share your screenshot of review at this number and your desired mode of cashback. Okay, this is cashback. That means this is totally marketing, for marketing purpose. Totally marketing purposes. Is this worth? Is this worth of 100 rupees? Let's see. Okay, this is brush. What is it? I don't know what is it. I don't know what is the purpose of this. I don't know what is the purpose of this. And you can see that there is also few things. This is for headphone cleaner or something. Yeah, so this is computer cleaner. Okay, let's see. This costs around 99 rupees, and if this token work, then 50 rupees will cash back. And here it is. The kid came from space, Ross Wilford. So this book I have purchased, children's fiction book. So this book is for my baby student. The kid who came from space. This costs around 339, or sorry, 287. Yeah, it costs 287. Okay, thank you very much.